Hello everyone and thanks for tuning in on our 5-day forecast. Just before we look closely into the models, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss out on our forecast. We would highly appreciate anyone who does. So for today, we have currently issued a convective outlook as a trough will track eastwards into Ireland and England, allowing surface-based showers to develop which could produce lightning strikes, which is why we've currently got a large low risk for parts of Ireland, western parts of Scotland, northwest England, parts of Wales, and majority of southern England up into East Anglia. And we've added into southern England to East Anglia because we have got a small convergence across southern England, which also could enhance shower activity too. Therefore, the low risk has been added. We could also upgrade this later today. We could add a area of interest for the parts of the channel where we could see another trough develop in the channel, which could bring some thunderstorms across the channel, but it will mainly stay over the channel and not go into coastal areas. But we could see a few flashes of lightning if you're on extreme coastal areas looking towards the channel. So an area of interest could be added there. So if we have a look at the surface pressure charts from the Met Office, we have currently got that trough moving eastwards, currently now at this time at 12 o'clock, we're currently recording this, into parts of England, which is why we should start to see some shower activity increase. As well, we've also got another occluded front currently tracking into Ireland as well, which will also introduce that risk as well. So if we move into today, we've got another trough, as you can see there, developing in a channel right here, and this could bring some thunderstorms to the parts of the channel. So we'll keep a close eye on that today, but we are currently speaking whether we are going to upgrade this to an area of interest or we're keeping the outlook the same. So if we go into Tuesday, there is no fronts across the UK, so we should be remaining dry, possibly some showers. And then during the course of Tuesday midnight into early hours of Wednesday, we've got another warm front followed by a cold front tracking eastwards once again, which will also be followed by a trough, which could bring some showers and possible thunderstorms into parts of Ireland as well. So a wet and rainy day for Wednesday. If we move into Thursday, the occluded front stays across northern England, which could bring some rain there during the night. And once again, we will now move into high pressure. So these fronts will clear and allowing higher pressure to build. As you can see here, high pressure currently stationed here and will track towards England by the end of this week. So if we look at the UKV, at the moment, you can currently see we've got showers developing across western parts of Ireland, across Scotland, and parts of England as well. And these showers will increase in intensity as we go through today. As you can see, more showers increasing across parts of Ireland, some showers increasing across parts of southern England as well, some heavy showers as well into parts of East Anglia too. And then this will track eastwards, which could also bring the risk of thunderstorms and lightning strikes for parts of northwest England and Wales, which is why we've added that risk there, and some snow showers to the higher parts of Scotland across Monday night, excuse me. And during the early hours of Tuesday, we've got a continuing flow of showers, parts of Scotland, Ireland, and north west England as well. We've got that trough developing across the channel down here, which could bring some lightning strikes within that, but we're keeping a close eye on that. And this will gradually track into southeastern England with further showers across northwest England, parts of Ireland, and southwest England. Where were we? Oh, we just ran forward there. And then through the course of Tuesday afternoon, once again, we're going to see surface-based showers developing, but not much in lightning activity expected here, if not anything. So this will mainly just be a showery and isolated shower day across Tuesday. And if we move into Tuesday night, we can see that front moving in across Ireland, tracking into western England, which will bring heavy rain and parts of northern England to the hills. We could see some snow there. So a very much rainy day for parts of Wednesday across the majority of England, which will also be followed by showers, which could bring the isolated lightning strike or two. And as we move into Thursday, Thursday will remain widely dry with some isolated pockets of showers across Ireland, and little tiny pop-up showers across England, so not much expected here. So a very dry day for Thursday. Clouds will clear, which could mean temperatures could drop below freezing as we are heading into a more chillier spell before the high pressure arrives. And then we move on to Saturday, which we've got another front, possible occluded front, dying down across Western Ireland and Western Scotland. So if we look at the two minimum temperatures, as you can see today, widely sitting just above double digits, so 11, 10 degrees across England, whereas Scotland remaining below double digits into the 8 and 7 degrees. As we head through tonight, temperatures won't drop as much for England, whereas Ireland we could see it nearing to freezing levels. So we've got a couple of 0 degrees there, but this is mainly over the higher parts of Ireland as well, whereas majority of Ireland will stay into the low single digits, and Scotland and Northern England too. So if we head into Tuesday midday, temperatures not really getting higher than 10 degrees here, so you can see 10 degrees in southern England and southeast England, whereas it mainly remaining anywhere from 7 to 8 degrees across parts of England, remaining freezing above higher parts of Scotland. And as we move into Tuesday night, temperatures are going to drop quite widely to near below freezing levels. As you can see, Scotland 0 to -1, Northern England sitting anywhere from 1 to 3 degrees, and that says the rest for the same of England, so anywhere from 1 to 5 degrees for parts of England and Ireland as well. So if we move into Wednesday afternoon, you can see temperatures not really rising much here compared to today. So we can see it's struggling to get above 7 degrees, and that goes for the same for Ireland as well. And temperatures will drop quite widely below freezing across parts of Ireland, Scotland, Northern England, and possible southwestern and southern England. So we're into the -1 there, but mainly remaining above 4 degrees across parts of Midlands and East Anglia. So if we move into Thursday afternoon, we are nearing double digits here, but we're not actually getting above it. So anywhere from 7 to 9 degrees here, parts of England, Ireland, and Scotland remaining anywhere from 5 to 7 degrees. So if we move into Friday morning, we can see widely the whole of England is covered below freezing levels. So we can expect a widespread frost here across parts of England, Ireland, and Scotland too, where we could see anywhere from 0 degrees to -3. And as we move into Friday afternoon, temperatures not really rising much here again, so remaining below double digits again for parts of Ireland and England as well. So if we look at the GFS model for this week, and as you can see, we've currently got that chillier air mass moving in. So this is a polar maritime air mass, or marine time, I think that's how you say it, moving in. And this is what is going to bring some snow to the higher parts of England, but not to lower levels. And then that should clear, and we should open up the door to high pressure. As you can see here, we've got high pressure moving in across parts of the North Atlantic, which will track westwards towards England and towards England, yeah. So if we look at the row model, focusing on today, as you can see, we've currently got quite a large risk of showers across parts of Ireland, England, and for Scotland, Western Scotland as well, but we can't really see that because it does not cover that zone. And for tonight, you can see that risk of those thundery showers and that trough moving up into parts of the English Channel. You can see there is a fair amount of convective available potential energy here, as you can see here. So on the north side of this trough, we could see some thundery showers develop where Cape sits at anywhere from 500 to 700 joules per kilogram, which could allow some lightning strikes possible frequent for a time as well. But that Cape will diminish during the night. And then into Tuesday, we can see very low levels of convective available potential energy here, which is why we're not really expecting any lightning from these showers tomorrow. So we may issue a low risk, but however, at this current moment of time, the energy levels don't look sufficient enough to produce several lightning strikes within showers. So maybe the odd rumble of thunder within these showers, but nothing much from this. And if we look at the ECMWF before we finish this video, as you can see, we've got that chillier polar maritime air mass moving in, and then we've got that high pressure also coming in as well during the end of this week, which will produce drier and possibly warmer spells into next week as well, which we will cover tomorrow. So make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow, as we're going to be issuing a 7 to 14 day outlook, which is very interesting. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, and we will catch up tomorrow when we post a new video. So I hope everyone has a great rest of their day, and I'll see everyone back tomorrow. Goodbye.